Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Ta-la! This is a 3 months of a mystery box from Hong Kong Disney, and I forgot to open them. There's so much going on in my life in the last couple months. So today we're gonna open all 1, 2, 3 and see if this is worth the money. Let me tell you, each box cost me $91. That's including shipping. So at the end, let me know, do you think this is worth the money? Okay, let's open this up now. Magical Pick Me Up. It is a mystery box service all the way from Hong Kong. It's not a sponsor. They didn't pay me. I've been subscribed them for the last almost a year, and I just canceled my subscription today because I just don't think the item is what I really want anymore. But you may like it, I don't know. So they offer 2 types of mystery box. Number 1, it's the one I have. It's the big one. It's called the Magical Box, $74.99. You get 3 to 5 items in there. Depends the value, but let me tell you, lately I only got 3 items. And with the shipping, it's about $91. Pretty expensive for 3 items. So I'm not sure I really like it anymore, so I just cancel this now. They do have a smaller box, $54.99. And that is a 3 to 4 smaller item. I didn't even go there because I know I just don't like this junk anyway, so I go for the big one. For the first 2 months, I think I really like it, but somehow I don't know what happened, just doesn't seem like it's good enough for me anymore. And you would think that for Christmas time or something, they would do a special gift for the regular customer like me. There was nothing in there, just standard. So I decided to cancel this. If you guys know there's another mystery box for Disney merchandise, let me know. I want to give it a try. Okay, so let's open this now. So every month they come the box just like this. It's very nice box, I had to tell you that. So let's open this, and this oh, so this is the, so okay, let me see. I'm gonna quickly count how many items in here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then thank you note. So it's only 3 items in here. So keep in mind, this 3 items cost me $91, and then the shipping to the US is about $16. So what do I get here? We got a Winnie the Pooh key charm, I guess. Yeah, plushie key charm. It says good luck right here. To open this up, you can put stuff in there. I mean, I think it's very cute. I mean, this is from Hong Kong Disney. We all know the merch from Disney in Asia is way better than what we have here, so I like this. And I got Duffy chopsticks, okay. And then I got a Disney mystery pin in here. Let's open this one up. I remember that I forgot. I think that when you first subscribe, you can tell them what type of merchandise you like. And I remember I put this. I want pins. So I mean, I know I get pins every single box. That I know. So okay, let's open this up here. Let's see. So there's a total 7 collects, and I think I asked for Duffy and Friends because that's something that we don't have here. So I really like it. So this is 2 in here. Ooh, let's open this up. Oh, this is cute. I think it's a Charlemagne, right? Charlemagne holding the money, and there's a flower tassel down here, and then you can actually put this on the bag. So okay, I like that multi-purpose. Okay, that's Charlemagne. Let's see. If I can get Duffy himself, that will be the best. Let's see. Duffy! Oh, shut up! We got Duffy. Oh my god, we got Duffy. So this is a very cute, very cute here. Okay, and obviously I don't know how much things cost in here, but that's just what I get. 2 pins. So yeah, and then they sent me a Lunar New Year from Olivia. I think she's the owner of the company, and you get a gold coin in here. So yeah, that's a $90. Okay, let's move on to next box. You tell me what you think, okay? All right, this one here, let's open this up. Okay, this one, let's count how many items first, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let me see. You get a thank you card. So this box, they actually come with one Charlie, but I already sold that pins. I don't have in here. So this box actually with 3 items here. So 3 items with tissue gift wrap paper for Christmas, I guess. So just remember, so this box, there's 3 items, Stella Lou, and then there's a calendar, and there's a Stella Lou pin. I already sold that, so it's 3 items. But this one, let's focus on it. It's a bag charmed. I do like their bag charm though. Look at this. This is cute. And it also, all the Duffy stuff, plushie, they give you a little storybook and you can read a little story. I think it's very, very cute. And then this is a calendar for 2025. So January, it's Winnie the Pooh. February is Tigger. March, who's March? More Winnie the Pooh and the Piglet. So I think this is the Winnie the Pooh advent calendar. This is a Winnie the Pooh calendar. Okay, this is cute. See that? I don't really use this, but you know, I'm probably gonna sell this on my Whatnot show. So it's cute. It's cute. Okay, so Christmas, November is this, and there's one more right here. So I mean, it is very, very cute. Something that we don't have in the US, so I appreciate this. But 3 items for $90, I don't know. I mean, obviously, they need to make money, which I totally respect that. I just feel like, give me just a little something extra. Could be just something even small, so I feel it's more valuable. All right, so let me look at the last box, okay? This box I actually opened already, and this is the January box, and or February box. I don't even know this, but let me show you. So when you open, let's count how many items in here, okay? There is an ear. I got a lot of ear from them. Ear is a good item. And then I got 1 pin here, and then I got a key charm, Mickey ear key charm. I'm sure what this is. So 3 items, only 3 items, and then thank you cards. Okay, so let's take a look what's all in here. I think this is definitely for the February because the hearts. So one thing I do like about her box, it's really theming, you know, like New Year's you get New Year item, Christmas you get Christmas item, Halloween you get Halloween item. So I mean, I appreciate that. I just feel like $90 just get a ear and a pin, and you know this is open edition, so it's not that expensive. And then this one is headband holder. We don't really have this in the US, so basically you can open this up and put your ear in here and attach to your bag. So they have a very cute one. This is a Duffy in front, you can see that. So I like that a lot. And by the way, let me talk about the pin here. It is a very interesting, very cartoonish Jasmine and the Genie in the Lamp. It's a satin glass. Let me see, it's not LE, nope, just regular pins. It's cute, it's cute. So yeah, let me know, would you pay $90 including shipping to get 3 items? I remember when I first subscribed the box, I usually get like a 4 item, but then lately, as you can see the last 3 boxes, I only got 3 items. So that's why I canceled my subscription just today. So like I said, if you guys know any other company who do mystery box, either from Tokyo, I would love to get something from Tokyo, from Shanghai, and then Hong Kong, they do mystery box, let me know so I can give a try. So leave a comment. So I hope you like this video, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel here so you don't miss out my video. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.